Can you share your screen?
Yeah, sure. Just let me know once you are able to see.
Sure. Yeah, I am able to see your
Yeah.
screen. Uh, can you open the link which I have said in chat?
Okay.
Now I am asking about the JavaScript logical concepts. Okay,
Okay.
so you have to write the programs for
Yeah,
that.
sure.
So open the link.
Yeah, I've opened it.
Okay. Now can you write the syntax of for loop?
Yeah, sure. So okay, like any
You can take any value.
okay, okay. And yeah. Should I need to like write anything or like just a syntax?
No. Can you explain the syntax?
Yeah, sure. Here what I have done is for loop where I'm initializing with 0.
Hmm.
I will do the loop till 2, 0, 1, 2, and this I plus plus is the increment.
Okay. Okay. Now my question is like, if you have 1 to 50 number, you have to check, like if your number is divisible by 3, then you have to print fees. If your number is divisible by 5, then you have to print bus. And if your number is divisible by 3 and 5 both, then you have to print fees bus.
Okay. Divisible by 3.
Hmm.
Just give me a second. Divisible by 3.
You have
What
to print fees.
fees? Okay. Divisible by
F
5.
I F I double set fees.
Fi.
Fees. I will send you in chat.
Okay, fees.
Fees bus. Yeah.
5 is
Bus.
bus, and 5, 3 and 5.
Fees bus. Combination
Oh,
of fees
okay,
bus.
okay. Fees and bus.
Hmm.
Okay.
Can you print the number after fees bus and fees bus console?
Okay, like uh, yes. After, like I have to, okay, so I have to print here three here, like 369.
No, you have to print number. I.
Okay, okay, fine. So
કોલ કરીને એમાં આટલી મિલી આપી જ દીધી અત્યારે બરાબર ત્યાં આગળ હવે વેઇટિંગ ઉપર બીજી કઈ હશે એ આપણે જોઈએ ત્યાં આગળ પેન્ડિંગ
it is taking a bit of time. Should I run this in another compiler?
Yeah, you can run.
Are you able to see?
Yeah, I am able to see.
Yeah,
Okay, scroll down.
just let me see. So it is okay, guys.
Wait. Scroll up. Okay. At 15, 15 number is divisible by 3 and 5. Then why it is printing only fields?
Mm,
It should be fields,
yeah,
right?
it is taking the first. Yeah, it should be feasible.
What you have to do here?
Mm, if I divisible by 3 and I not.
હશે એવું નહીં
I divisible by 3 feasible. Yeah. Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah, I took 3 not divisible here, and here 5 not divisible.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, if you have a random, okay, I have added one thing in chat. You have const there equals to random, right? So you have to reverse the string without using reverse function.
Okay, I have to reverse it without
Inbuilt function.
okay. Yeah.
Okay.
बंद चाहिए लेके जाना बंद चाहिए दूसरे ट्रेन कॉपी चल रही है ना सर
Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. What you have done?
So what I did is like I took a new string, empty string.
Hmm.
Then I took a function where I will pass a string
Hmm.
here, and then I will take a for loop where I am taking from the last s- letter.
Hmm.
Then I will be decrementing it whether it is greater than 0 and decrementing it, and from there on I will take like m, then o, then d, then n, then a, then r.
Okay. Now write the program for Fibonacci series of 10 numbers.
Okay, Fibonacci. Okay.
Fibonacci.
Yeah, yeah. Do hello.
Yeah.
Should I like I have to enter a number, or you are providing me the specific 10
No,
numbers
no, you have to create the series dynamically for Fibonacci.
dynamically? Means we have to enter a number and accordingly up to that
Like
number.
you have a number 0 and 1.
Yeah. So no, I
First
got that
number is,
Fibonacci, but like
can
you
you
are telling
can you
me
write the
till 10
result?
numbers, or like
Yeah,
any
10
number
numbers.
that
10 numbers. 10
n
numbers.
number. Okay, 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 okay. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Then
You have did for number.
yes, come again. Should I run it again or like?
Yeah, yeah, run it again.
Okay, so I'm taking 15.
Okay.
So the last number will be 13. It will be exceeding if it goes above 13 plus 8. It will be 21.
Okay. Okay. So you have done the lab project in React, and you are also familiar with the Redux also, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So you have only knowledge of React only, or Angular, or any front end technology, other technology?
Not other than React.
Okay. Okay. Why we use React?
The main reason is it reduces the complexity due to the feature of the reusability. That is one of the main feature of like why we use React.js.
Okay. Which are the features of React? Main features?
So as I said, component reuse components, performance, virtual DOM, JSX. So these are the few main features of React.js.
Okay. What is the difference between real DOM and virtual DOM?
So virtual DOM, it is a copy of the real DOM. What it happens is so it re-renders the whole DOM at once in real DOM, whereas in virtual DOM, what it happens, it will affect only the chain line of code instead of each and every line of code.
Okay. Okay. What is state?
State, it is used to store the data within the components.
Okay. What is the difference between state and props?
State, it is used to store data, whereas props, it is used to pass data from parent component to child component.
Okay. How many types of component in React?
So types of components, functional component and class component.
Okay. Okay. If I want to define any state, then how can I do in state and in sorry, in class component, functional component?
If I want to define a state,
Mm.
like we will use state.
Can you write the syntax of that?
Yeah, sure. So just a set, like anything, abc set is to state. Mm, yeah. Yeah, this is the syntax. This is the where the value will be stored here. This is a function where we can, if you want to change it, and this is the default value if you want.
Okay. This is the syntax in a functional component, right? For
Yeah.
defining the state. And now I want to define state in a class component. Then how can I do?
We will use this dot state, whereas for this if we want to change the value, then we will use this dot state set state method. With the help of that, we can change the value as well.
Okay. So which are the hooks?
Hooks allows us to have features such as lifecycle components, states. To access these features, these functional components have been used, and it has been introduced since 16.8 version.
Yeah. So what is the difference between use callback and use memo?
So use memo, it is used to return a memoized value, whereas use callback, it is used to return memoized function. So that is the main difference.
Okay. can you explain the life cycle methods of the component?
So life cycle methods, it includes component did mount, component did update, component will unmount. So these are the three life cycle methods of React components. In class components, whereas in functional components we use with the help of use effect.
Okay. Okay. Which are the control components and which are the uncontrolled components?
So uncontrolled components, the components they are managed with the help of DOM, whereas the control component, the component it is managed by the component state. So internal state it is not maintained in controlled component, whereas in uncontrolled it is maintained.
Okay. Okay. What are the higher order components?
Higher order component, it accepts the component as an argument and returns a new component. For example, like highlighting or unhighlighting the text or expanding the options. So with the help of that we can do.
Okay. Okay. What are the pure components?
So pure component, it is similar. So pure components they are used in class components, and it is similar to the use memo of functional components. So it is used for avoiding the re-rendering of values which has been updated to the same values. So to avoid that re-rendering at that situation, we use pure components.
Okay. Now, how many types of loops?
For in, for off, while, and for loop. So these are the four loops in JavaScript.
Okay. Okay. Do you know about the Redux, right?
Yes.
Okay. Which are the components of Redux?
So the components of Redux it includes action, store, and reducer.
Okay. Do you know about the context?
It is used for sharing the data between different level of components. It is mainly introduced to avoid the prop drilling. So that is the main purpose.
Okay. So you are familiar with Redux toolkit also?
No, Redux toolkit I haven't.
Okay. So you are only familiar with only basic with Redux, right?
Redux, yes.
So you are familiar with OOPS concept also?
Yes.
Okay. Which are the features of OOPS?
So features it includes polymorphism, inheritance, encapsulation, and abstraction. Yeah.
What is encapsulation?
Encapsulation it is used for hiding the data. So it is used for restriction of like hiding data members and data functions. You can say.
Okay. What is inheritance?
In inheritance, the class can inherit the properties or you can say behavior of another class.
Okay. How many types of inheritance?
So the types of inheritance, multiple inheritance, single inheritance, multi-level inheritance, hierarchical and hybrid inheritance.
Okay. And do you know about the any backend technology also?
Backend, no, I'm on the learning phase, but no, as of
Okay.
now.
You are in learning phase, but in which technology you are learning?
I'm learning in Node.js.
Okay. Okay, no problem. So you are familiar with database part also?
Database, I have worked for a month in like my starting career in MySQL. So yeah,
Okay. Okay. So you have knowledge about the database also, but in MySQL only.
yeah,
Okay. So are you able to perform queries also? From
yeah, yes.
which are the types of joins?
So it includes inner join, self join, cross join, right outer join, and left outer join.
Okay. So um, If you have one table student, and in the student table there is one column birth date.
One column birth date. Okay.
Okay, and you have to find out the student list which student have born year 1995 to 1998. Then how can we do that?
So for that we will write select student name from student is the table name, so from student where birth date between 1995 and 1998, so it will collect all the student names whose birth date will be between 1995 and 1998.
Okay, okay, I'm done from my side. You have a question?